Students, we are going to see divide and conquer general method. Divide and conquer is a algorithm technology that is used to solve the problem in the algorithm. So divide and conquer strategy is applied to the algorithm and the problem is divided into several subproblems. Each subproblem is solved and the results are combined together to produce the final solution. So this is called divide and conquer. So we will see the algorithm for the general method of divide and conquer. Algorithm D and C open bracket P close bracket. So algorithm name is D and C, that is divide and conquer. D is for divide and C is for conquer. Divide and conquer. P is the problem to be solved. So open brace. If small of p, then return s of p. It is if the problem is very small, it should not be divided, then we can get the solution directly. That is called s of p. S of p is the solution of the problem. If small of the problem, then return the solution for the problem. So this is the meaning of that statement. If s small of p, then return s of p. Else, open brace, divide p into smaller instances p1, p2, etc., pk. If the problem is large, then it should be divided into smaller subproblems p1, p2, p3, etc. up to pk, and k value should be greater than 1. So there should be many smaller instances, more than 1. Apply divide and conquer strategy to each of these subproblems. Then the subproblem is divided into further subproblems and this strategy is applied. Then finally return, combine D and C of P1, D and C of P2, D and C of Pk, etc. So D and C of P1, the first subproblem is solved, and D and C of P2, second subproblem is solved, and D and C Pk, final subproblem is solved. So all the subproblem solutions are combined together. Next, then the solution is combined and we get the final solution. This is the algorithm for divide and conquer. So algorithm divide and conquer. P is the problem. If the problem is very small of p, then return the solution, directly return the solution. Else, divide the problem into smaller subproblems p1, p2, etc. up to pk, and apply the same divide and conquer strategy to each of these subproblems, and then finally combine the solution of the subproblem 1, subproblem 2, subproblem 3, etc. up to subproblem k. Finally combine and get the final solution. To be more precise, suppose we consider the divide and conquer strategy. It splits the input into two subproblems of the same kind as the original problem. This splitting is typical of many of the problems we examine here. So the important things we are seeing in this algorithm is divide and conquer of algorithm. D and C algorithm is initially invoked and D and C of P, where the P is the problem space, is to be solved. Small of P. So small of P is nothing but it is a Boolean valued function. It will return either true or false. If the problem is very small, it will return true. So then the answer can be computed without splitting. If this is so, the function S is invoked, that is S solution. Otherwise, the problem P is divided into smaller subproblems. These subproblems P1, P2, etc. Pk are solved by the recursive applications of divide and conquer algorithm. Then finally combine. So combine is a function that determines the solution to the problem using the sub-solutions to the k subproblems. So here two things are used, small of p and combine. Small of p is if the problem is small, directly we get the solution. Otherwise, we divide the problem into smaller subproblems. Then combine is a function where the smaller subproblems is combined to get a final solution. So this is the general method of the divide and conquer algorithm. Thank you.